Okay, how about this one? A horse walks into a bar and the bartender says, "Hey," and the horse says, "Buddy, you read my mind." Wait, hey? Because bartender, it's good. We'll learn later. Riding by horse approximately 25 kilometres a day is a good distance to aim for. The sections on the trail almost perfectly align to this if you look at the Yarraman to Bunaken, Bunaken to Moore, Moore to Toogoolawah, Toogoolawah to Esk, Esk to Kaminya, Kaminya to Fernvale, and the last section of Fernvale to Wulkuraka. 7 days is a reasonable goal for completing the whole trail in one go if you dare. There's lots of fun to be had on horses along the trail with plenty of camping locations at each section. There's also rainwater tanks along the way that provide drinking water, but it's always recommended to carry extra. It's also recommended that horses be shod or wear boots. Inexperienced horses don't use the trail without previous exposure to bike riders or walkers, and horses aren't allowed to remain in natural watercourses.